Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can understand English and I can speak English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100%
Do you
willing
have
to
any
work.
friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you sure, Noah? After you come here, you suddenly say, Ma'am, I have sister here in Malaysia.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I don't have a family.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, ma'am. I'm healthy.
If you feel unwell, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Uh, I willing to work to Malaysia because of high salary. Than Philippines, ma'am, because this Philippines is so low salary. I can provide to my family.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
By the way, ma'am, good afternoon. I'm Joanna Abenoja. I am a married. I have two children. My firstborn is 6 years old, and the secondborn is 3 years old. And my husband name is Mark Anthony Abenoja. I live in Palayan City, Nueva Ecija. And I graduated uh, bachelor business administration, major in marketing.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you first, okay? What is your husband occupation and how old is he?
My husband occupation is an admin and he's 32 years old.
When is your birthday?
January 16, 1995.
What is your height and your weight?
My weight for now is 75, ma'am. And my height is 5'4".
What is your religion?
Religion is Roman.
Roman Catholic. Okay, you mentioned that you are married and this is your first time working abroad. And you got two kids also at the
Yes.
same time. Who will going to take care of your children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
If we're going to Malaysia, my grandmother taking care of my two children.
Your grandmother still can take care of your children. How old is your grandmother?
My grandmother is 64 years old.
Still can.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that we don't have any problem later?
Um, we don't have a problem, ma'am. She's a healthy person.
Okay, so do you have brother and sister?
I have a two sister, ma'am.
Okay, what about brother?
I don't have a brother, ma'am. Sister only.
What is your rank in your family then?
I'm ranking up second, ma'am.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My parents are both both died.
Okay,
Both died.
I'm so sorry about it. So, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am. Only in local. This is on the Philippines
How
only.
many years you work there and which part of the Philippines?
I'm working here in the Philippines. Mag 2 years in by November 2025.
What is your job there?
Housekeeping, ma'am.
Housekeeping. You work for 2 years. Okay, what year did you started and what year did you until recently, right?
Yes, ma'am. Up to present, ma'am. November 28, 2023 up to present.
Okay. So you are a housekeeping. What is normally your job responsibility?
About housekeeping, ma'am, is the same as domestic helper in
Okay.
Philippines.
So can you
Uh,
indicate it?
I do cooking, washing, ironing, gardening, and marketing.
Are you sure that you do the gardening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so being a first timer is a very tough job, and being a domestic helper is a very tough job, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, houses here is very big one, and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. So I am just giving you the reality or letting you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Houses here is quite big. There is no joke, yeah? So you need
Yes,
to
ma'am.
be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you
Yes, ma'am.
ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness later, knowing that this is your first time working abroad, and frequently homesickness will attack you anytime, anywhere.
If I'm a homesick mom, I am focused on my job. And if I'm as if I'm homesick after my work, after I finish my work, I call to my family to communicate.
Okay. So can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I can do taking care of baby and toddler child.
Okay. Can you take your elderly people?
Uh, I'm willing to ma'am. I'm
It's
willing
a
to.
yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you will going to sign a 2 years contract as I have mentioned many times. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. So don't give us problem later, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
I don't want later that you are okay in our initial interview. After coming here in Malaysia, there is a different story already. No such a thing. Okay? Because as I have mentioned, we don't force people to come here. If you agree, then fine, you can come, work properly. But if you disagree also, it's fine also. We don't force people to come here. Okay?
Yes,
You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer. Okay, if any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years, okay? Okay, so any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Okay po,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank you.
much and have a good day. Bye.